Welcome to an epic journey, a voyage of discovery to the very heart of our planet's enigma. From the icy plains of the Arctic to the sun-drenched sands of the Sahara, our world is a tapestry woven with threads of mystery. For millennia, these mysteries have captivated humankind, sparking our imaginations and challenging our understanding of the natural world. They stand as silent sentinels, a testament to the enduring power of the unknown. Join us now as we delve into the shadowy corners of our planet, venturing into the realms of the unexplained. Prepare to be amazed, bewildered, and perhaps even a little afraid as we uncover Earth's greatest mysteries together. Beneath the waves, in the deep ocean trenches, lie secrets that have eluded us for centuries. Ancient maps and the tales of explorers charting unknown territories have always hinted at the wonders that await discovery. Even the starry night sky, with its celestial phenomena, beckons us to look beyond our world and ponder the mysteries of the universe. Scholars have pored over ancient manuscripts, seeking clues and insights into the enigmas that have puzzled generations. Cave paintings and ancient art offer glimpses into the minds of our ancestors, their interpretations of the world around them. Eerie abandoned cities and overgrown ruins stand as monuments to civilizations long gone, their stories waiting to be told. Mysterious lights in the sky and UFO sightings continue to intrigue and baffle us, fueling speculation and wonder. Cryptic symbols and ancient stone carvings challenge us to decode their meanings and unlock their secrets. Vast mountain ranges and hidden valleys hold untold stories, waiting for those brave enough to explore their depths. Ancient temples and sacred sites resonate with the echoes of rituals and beliefs from times long past. Archaeological digs uncover mysterious artifacts, each piece a puzzle in the grand tapestry of human history. Strange weather patterns and eerie natural phenomena remind us of the planet's dynamic and ever-changing nature. Explorers and adventurers brave harsh environments, driven by the quest for knowledge and the thrill of discovery. Ancient libraries filled with scrolls and books hold the wisdom and mysteries of the ages, waiting to be uncovered. Mysterious monoliths and unexplained structures stand as testaments to the ingenuity and curiosity of our ancestors. Vast deserts and hidden oases offer a stark contrast, each with its own secrets and stories to tell. Ancient shipwrecks and underwater explorations reveal the remnants of journeys and adventures lost to time. Mysterious forest clearings and hidden groves invite us to explore and uncover the secrets they hold. Ancient observatories and the practice of stargazing connect us to the cosmos and the mysteries beyond our planet. As we map unknown regions and venture into uncharted territories, we continue the legacy of discovery and exploration. Prepare to be amazed, bewildered, and perhaps even a little afraid as we uncover Earth's greatest mysteries together. The ancient pyramids, grand structures that have stood the test of time, hold secrets of engineering and purpose that continue to baffle experts. Deep within the forests, hidden temples whisper tales of forgotten rituals and lost civilizations. Mysterious underwater caves explored by daring divers reveal a world untouched by time, filled with wonders and dangers alike. Ancient scrolls with cryptic writings challenge our understanding, offering glimpses into the minds of those who came before us. The vast tundras with their hidden secrets remind us of the resilience and adaptability of life in the harshest conditions. Museums display ancient artifacts, each piece a window into the past, inviting us to piece together the stories of our ancestors. Mysterious rock formations and natural wonders challenge our perceptions, inviting us to question the forces that shaped our world. Explorers in ancient ruins uncover history layer by layer, each discovery adding to the rich tapestry of human existence. Celestial events such as eclipses and meteor showers connect us to the cosmos, reminding us of our place in the universe. Ancient cities with bustling markets offer a glimpse into the daily lives of those who lived long ago, their stories etched in the stones and streets. Ancient relics and mysterious artifacts continue to intrigue us, each piece a puzzle waiting to be solved. As we continue to explore uncharted territories and map the unknown, we carry forward the spirit of discovery that has driven humanity for millennia. It's one of the most famous mysteries of the modern world, a place where ships vanish without a trace, planes disappear from the skies, and answers seem just out of reach. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle. This infamous region, also known as the Devil's Triangle, stretches roughly between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Over the years, countless stories have emerged about vessels and aircraft disappearing here under mysterious circumstances. But what's really going on? Some blame extreme weather. Sudden storms and unpredictable waters are common in this area, making it a hotspot for accidents. Others point to magnetic anomalies that might interfere with navigation systems. Compasses behaving strangely have been reported by sailors for centuries. One scientific theory suggests massive methane gas eruptions from the seafloor could destabilize ships, causing them to sink almost instantly. But what about the planes? Could they be victims of freak air currents or even human error? Then, of course, there are the more outlandish explanations. Aliens, underwater portals, or even remnants of the Lost City of Atlantis. While science hasn't confirmed these ideas, they sure make the mystery even more captivating. So, what's the truth behind the Bermuda Triangle? Is it an area cursed by nature, misunderstood by science, or simply hyped up by human imagination? One thing's for sure, it keeps us wondering, and maybe that's the greatest mystery of all. Let us know what you think in the comments. Is there more to the Bermuda Triangle than meets the eye? Spread across the arid plains of southern Peru lies one of humanity's greatest mysteries, the Nazca Lines. Massive geometric shapes, intricate animal figures, and straight lines that stretch for miles. But who created them and why? Believed to have been made by the ancient Nazca people over 2,000 years ago, these monumental designs were carved into the desert by removing the reddish topsoil to reveal the lighter earth below. But the big question remains, what purpose did they serve? Some researchers believe the lines were part of religious rituals, perhaps to communicate with their gods. The Nazca civilization relied heavily on agriculture in this harsh desert environment, and the lines may have been offerings to deities controlling water and fertility. Other theories suggest they were astronomical markers, aligning with the solstices or mapping the stars. Could the Nazca have used these lines to track the heavens and better understand their world? Of course, not everyone thinks the lines were created by human hands. Some propose they were messages or even landing strips for extraterrestrials. While there's no scientific evidence for this, it hasn't stopped imaginations from running wild. The true purpose of the Nazca Lines may never be fully understood. Are they sacred messages to the gods, an ancient calendar, or something more mysterious? One thing's for certain, these enigmatic designs continue to baffle and inspire, reminding us of the ingenuity and curiosity of our ancestors. What's your theory? Leave a comment below and let us know. The story of Atlantis is one of the most enduring tales of a lost civilization. This legendary city has fascinated humanity for centuries, sparking countless theories, debates, and expeditions. From the moment it was first mentioned, Atlantis has been a symbol of mystery and wonder, a beacon for those who seek to uncover the secrets of the past. The allure of a powerful, advanced civilization that vanished without a trace continues to captivate our imaginations, driving us to explore the depths of history and the ocean in search of answers. First described by the Greek philosopher Plato over 2,000 years ago, Atlantis has captivated the imaginations of explorers, historians, and dreamers ever since. Plato's accounts, found in his dialogues Timaeus and Critias, paint a vivid picture of a magnificent island nation that existed around 9,000 years before his time. According to Plato, Atlantis was a powerful and technologically advanced civilization, with a society that valued wisdom, beauty, and prosperity. The island was said to be larger than Libya and Asia combined, and it was divided into concentric rings of land and water, with a grand capital city at its center. Could there be a kernel of truth buried beneath millennia of myth and speculation? The idea of a lost civilization that once thrived and then disappeared has intrigued scholars and adventurers alike. Over the years, numerous theories have been proposed about the possible location of Atlantis, ranging from the Mediterranean to the Caribbean and even Antarctica. Some researchers believe that Atlantis could be a real place, hidden beneath layers of sediment and ocean water, waiting to be discovered by modern technology and exploration. Plato described Atlantis as an island nation of immense power and sophistication, possessing advanced technology and a utopian society. The Atlanteans were said to have harnessed the power of the sea and the land, creating a society that was both technologically advanced and harmonious. They built impressive structures, including temples, palaces, and harbors, and their capital city was adorned with statues, fountains, and gardens. The Atlanteans were also skilled in various arts and sciences, and their society was governed by wise and just rulers who ensured the prosperity and happiness of their people. A powerful empire, he wrote, undone by its hubris and ultimately swallowed by the sea. According to Plato, the downfall of Atlantis was brought about by the moral decay and corruption of its people. As the Atlanteans grew more powerful and wealthy, they became arrogant and greedy, losing sight of their values and principles. This led to internal strife and conflict, weakening the once great civilization. Eventually, the gods decided to punish the Atlanteans for their hubris, and in a single day and night of misfortune, the island of Atlantis was swallowed by the sea, leaving no trace of its existence. But was this a cautionary tale or a glimpse into a forgotten chapter of human history? The story of Atlantis has been interpreted in various ways over the centuries. Some scholars believe that Plato's account was purely allegorical, a philosophical exploration of the dangers of power and corruption. They argue that Atlantis was a fictional creation, meant to serve as a moral lesson for Plato's contemporaries. Others, however, see the story as a possible reflection of real historical events, suggesting that there may have been a civilization that inspired Plato's tale. Some believe that Plato's writings are allegorical, a philosophical exploration of power and corruption. They argue that the story of Atlantis was intended to illustrate the consequences of moral decay and the importance of maintaining ethical values. In this interpretation, Atlantis serves as a warning to future generations about the dangers of hubris and the need for humility and wisdom. Plato's dialogues, they suggest, were not meant to be taken literally, but rather as a means of conveying deeper philosophical truths. Others see them as evidence of a real civilization lost to natural disasters or the ravages of time. These researchers point to various archaeological and geological findings that could support the existence of a lost civilization similar to Atlantis. For example, some have suggested that the Minoan civilization, which thrived on the island of Crete around 3,500 years ago, could be the basis for the Atlantis story. The Minoans were known for their advanced architecture, art, and technology, and their civilization was abruptly destroyed by a massive volcanic eruption and subsequent tsunamis. Could the remnants of Atlantis lie hidden beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered? Modern technology has opened up new possibilities for exploring the ocean depths and uncovering hidden secrets. Underwater archaeology and deep-sea exploration have revealed fascinating discoveries, such as submerged cities, ancient shipwrecks, and mysterious structures that could potentially be linked to the Atlantis legend. Advanced sonar and imaging techniques allow researchers to map the ocean floor in unprecedented detail, providing new clues and insights into the possible location of Atlantis. The search for Atlantis has taken us from the depths of the Atlantic Ocean to the shores of the Mediterranean Sea. Over the years, various expeditions have been launched to investigate potential sites that match Plato's descriptions. Some researchers have focused on the Azores, a group of islands in the mid-Atlantic, while others have explored the waters around the Greek island of Santorini, which was also devastated by a volcanic eruption. The search has even extended to the Caribbean and the coast of Spain, as investigators seek to uncover any evidence that could point to the existence of Atlantis. While no definitive proof has been found, tantalizing clues and intriguing anomalies continue to fuel the quest for this legendary city. The mystery of Atlantis remains one of the greatest unsolved puzzles of history, inspiring both scientific inquiry and imaginative speculation. Each new discovery, whether it be an ancient artifact, a submerged ruin, or an unexplained geological formation, adds another piece to the puzzle and keeps the legend of Atlantis alive. As technology advances and our understanding of the past deepens, the search for Atlantis continues, driven by the hope that one day we may uncover the truth behind this enduring legend. Rising from the sands of the Giza Plateau, the Great Pyramids stand as enduring testaments to the ingenuity and ambition of one of the world's most fascinating ancient civilizations. These structures, built over 4,000 years ago, continue to draw millions of visitors from around the globe, each one eager to witness the grandeur of these ancient marvels. For millennia, these colossal structures have captivated our imaginations, inspiring awe and wonder in equal measure. The pyramids are not just relics of the past, they are symbols of human perseverance and creativity, standing tall against the test of time. Their sheer scale is staggering. Each pyramid was constructed with meticulous precision, aligning perfectly with the cardinal points of the compass. This level of accuracy is astonishing considering the limited tools and knowledge available at the time. The largest of the three, the Great Pyramid of Khufu, was the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. Standing at an original height of 146.6 meters, it was a beacon of architectural prowess and a testament to the vision of Pharaoh Khufu. Constructed from over 2 million limestone blocks, each meticulously cut and placed, the pyramid's construction is a marvel of engineering. Each block weighs an average of 2.5 tons, and some of the larger stones used in the inner chambers weigh as much as 80 tons. The logistics of moving these massive stones from quarries, some located hundreds of miles away, to the construction site is a feat that continues to astound us today. The pyramids represent a feat of engineering and logistics that continues to astound us today. The precision with which these stones were cut and placed, the alignment with celestial bodies, and the sheer scale of the project all point to a highly advanced understanding of mathematics and astronomy. How did the ancient Egyptians, without the aid of modern technology, manage to achieve such precision and scale? Quarry, transport, and lift these massive stones into place with such precision. The methods they used remain a topic of intense study and debate among historians and archaeologists. The answer, like many aspects of pyramid construction, remains shrouded in mystery, fueling centuries of speculation and debate. Some theories suggest the use of ramps, while others propose more complex systems involving levers and counterweights, fueling centuries of speculation and debate. Were these monumental tombs simply products of human ingenuity and brute force, or did the ancient Egyptians employ techniques and technologies lost to time? Were these monumental tombs simply products of human ingenuity and brute force, or did the ancient Egyptians employ techniques and technologies lost to time? The hieroglyphics and artifacts found within the pyramids offer clues, but many questions remain unanswered. Or did the ancient Egyptians employ techniques and technologies lost to time? Some scholars believe that the Egyptians had a deep understanding of natural forces and materials, allowing them to manipulate their environment in ways we are only beginning to understand. The answer may lie hidden within the pyramids themselves, waiting to be unlocked by archaeologists and engineers. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the true extent of their knowledge and capabilities, waiting to be unlocked by archaeologists and engineers. As we continue to explore and study these ancient monuments, we gain not only insights into the past, but also inspiration for the future. The Great Pyramids of Giza stand as eternal monuments to human achievement, reminding us of what we can accomplish when we dare to dream big. The year is 1908. The world is on the cusp of monumental changes, with technological advancements and geopolitical shifts shaping the future. Yet in the remote and largely uncharted wilderness of Siberia, an event of unprecedented magnitude is about to unfold, one that will baffle scientists and historians for over a century. In the remote Siberian wilderness, a cataclysmic event unfolds, an explosion of unimaginable power that flattens over 800 square miles of forest, leaving behind a scene of utter devastation. The sheer scale of the destruction is almost incomprehensible, with trees charred and splintered lying in a radial pattern that stretches as far as the eye can see. This desolate landscape, once teeming with life, now stands as a stark reminder of nature's unpredictable fury. This is the Tunguska Event, one of the most mysterious explosions in recorded history. The name Tunguska has since become synonymous with mystery and intrigue, a puzzle that has captivated the minds of scientists, researchers, and enthusiasts alike. The eerie silence of the forest, shrouded in a perpetual fog, adds to the enigma, as if the land itself is reluctant to reveal its secrets. At 7:17 a.m. local time, on the 30th of June, a blinding flash illuminates the sky, followed by a shockwave that circles the globe twice. The intensity of the light is such that it can be seen hundreds of miles away, turning night into day for a brief, terrifying moment. The shockwave, traveling at incredible speeds, causes the ground to tremble and buildings to shake, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Eyewitnesses describe a fiery object streaking across the sky, leaving a trail of smoke and dust in its wake. The object, moving at an unimaginable speed, emits a deafening roar that echoes through the valleys and forests. People from nearby villages who had never seen anything like it watch in awe and terror as the sky is set ablaze. Some describe it as a second sun, while others liken it to a dragon breathing fire. The explosion, estimated to be thousands of times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, is heard hundreds of miles away. The sound, a thunderous boom, reverberates through the air, shattering windows and causing animals to flee into panic. The force of the blast is so immense that it creates seismic waves detectable by instruments around the world. The sheer power of the explosion leaves an indelible mark on the landscape and the collective memory of those who witnessed it. But what caused this devastating explosion? This question has puzzled scientists for decades. Theories abound, ranging from a meteorite impact to a comet explosion, and even more exotic explanations like alien intervention or a black hole passing through the Earth. The lack of concrete evidence only adds to the mystery, making the Tunguska Event a fertile ground for speculation and debate. The remote location, coupled with the limited scientific capabilities of the time, meant that a proper investigation was delayed for nearly 2 decades. The harsh Siberian terrain, with its dense forests and treacherous swamps, made it difficult for researchers to reach the site. Moreover, the political climate of the time, with Russia undergoing significant upheaval, further hindered scientific efforts. It wasn't until the 1920s that a dedicated expedition was finally organized to study the event. When scientists finally reached the epicenter, they were baffled by what they found. The landscape was unlike anything they had ever seen. Trees were stripped of their branches and bark, lying in a radial pattern that pointed away from the center of the blast. The ground was scorched and littered with debris, yet there was no obvious sign of an impact crater. The absence of a crater was particularly perplexing, as it contradicted the prevailing theories of a meteorite impact. There was no impact crater, no obvious signs of a meteorite strike. This anomaly led to a flurry of new hypotheses. Some scientists suggested that the object had exploded in the air, creating a powerful shockwave that flattened the forest below. Others proposed that the explosion was caused by a comet, which would have disintegrated upon entering the Earth's atmosphere, leaving no solid remnants behind. The lack of definitive evidence meant that the true cause of the Tunguska event remained elusive. Instead, they found millions of trees stripped of their branches and foliage, lying in a radial pattern, pointing away from the epicenter of the blast. This radial pattern, with its eerie symmetry, suggested a powerful explosion at the center, radiating outwards with immense force. The trees, some of which were centuries old, were uprooted and thrown to the ground like matchsticks. The sheer scale of the destruction was a testament to the power of the explosion, yet it provided few clues as to its origin. The Tunguska event, it seemed, had left more questions than answers. Despite numerous expeditions and countless hours of research, the true cause of the explosion remains a mystery to this day. Theories continue to evolve, with new evidence and advanced technology offering fresh insights. Yet the Tunguska event stands as a reminder of the mysteries that still lie hidden in the natural world, waiting to be uncovered. It is a testament to the enduring allure of the unknown, a puzzle that continues to captivate and intrigue more than a century after it first occurred. Deep within the hallowed halls of Yale University lies a treasure trove of human history. Ancient texts, maps, and artifacts whisper tales of bygone eras. Yet among these relics one stands apart, cloaked in a mystery that has baffled the world's brightest minds for centuries. This, my friends, is the Voynich Manuscript. A book seemingly from another world, filled with bizarre illustrations of unknown plants and written in a script that remains undeciphered to this day. The Voynich Manuscript, named after Wilfrid Voynich, the Polish book dealer who brought it to light in 1912, is a rabbit hole of speculation and intrigue. Its very existence challenges our understanding of language, botany, and perhaps even history itself. Is it a complex hoax, a medieval treatise on herbalism, or something far more profound? For over a century, renowned cryptographers, linguists, and historians have grappled with the manuscript's enigmatic script. Every imaginable code has been applied, every linguistic theory tested, yet the Voynich Manuscript remains stubbornly silent, its secrets locked away in a language unknown to humankind. Imagine an entire world beneath our feet, vast caverns, hidden civilizations, and a glowing inner sun. This is the heart of the hollow earth theory. But could such a world actually exist, or is it simply a myth? The idea of a hollow earth isn't new. In the 17th century, astronomer Edmund Halley suggested the Earth was made of concentric spheres, with massive hollow spaces in between. By the 19th century, John Cleves Sims took it a step further, claiming there were giant openings at the North and South poles that led to an underground paradise. According to believers, this hidden world could be home to advanced beings, prehistoric creatures, or even remnants of lost civilizations. Some legends, like the Tibetan myth of Agartha, speak of an underground realm ruled by enlightened beings, a utopia untouched by surface chaos. But what does science say? Today, geologists agree the Earth isn't hollow. Its interior is a solid and molten structure consisting of the crust, mantle, and core. The pressure and heat alone make the idea of vast, habitable spaces impossible by known physics. Still, the theory has found its way into pop culture, fueled by tales of mysterious polar lights and strange entrances in remote regions. Could these stories be misunderstood natural phenomena or evidence of something more? For centuries, humans have explored its surface, charting its continents and scaling its highest peaks. Could it be that our Earth is not solid as a rock but hollow, containing within it a vast, unexplored world? The idea might seem like something out of a Jules Verne novel, but the hollow Earth theory has captivated thinkers, scientists, and dreamers for centuries. This theory, in its most basic form, proposes that the Earth is not a solid sphere, but rather a hollow shell with an inner surface containing its own continents, oceans, and even life forms. Proponents of this idea point to ancient myths and legends from various cultures that speak of subterranean worlds and civilizations, hinting at a hidden truth beneath our feet. Whether it's an ancient myth, a product of creative minds, or a mystery waiting to be solved, the hollow Earth theory continues to captivate imaginations. Beneath the surface, the allure of the unknown remains as powerful as ever. Do you think there's more to this theory than meets the eye? Share your thoughts in the comments as we dig into more fascinating mysteries. As we close this journey through Earth's most intriguing mysteries, we find ourselves reflecting on the incredible diversity and complexity of our planet. From the highest mountain peaks to the deepest ocean trenches, every corner of the Earth holds secrets that have fascinated humanity for centuries. We're reminded that our planet is full of secrets. Some we've uncovered and many more waiting to be explored. The vast forests, the endless oceans, and the majestic mountain ranges all hold stories that are yet to be told. Whether it's the dense jungles that hide ancient civilizations, the mysterious depths of the oceans that harbor unknown species, or the remote landscapes that challenge our understanding of the natural world, there's always something new to discover. Take, for instance, the legend of Atlantis. This mythical city, said to be submerged beneath the ocean, has captured the imagination of explorers and historians alike. Despite numerous expeditions, its existence remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of our time. Then there's the riddle of the Bermuda Triangle, a region infamous for the unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. Theories abound, but the truth remains elusive, adding to the allure and mystique of this enigmatic area. And what about the question of whether we're living on the surface of a hollow Earth? This theory, though widely debunked, continues to intrigue and inspire those who seek to understand the true nature of our planet. There's always more to discover. The night sky, with its countless stars and galaxies, invites us to ponder our place in the universe. The caves, with their hidden chambers and ancient formations, challenge us to explore the unknown. But what do you think? Do you have your own theories about these mysteries? Have you ever wondered about the secrets that lie beneath the surface of our everyday world? Do you have your own theories about these mysteries, or perhaps you've heard of other unsolved puzzles that we didn't get to? The world is full of questions, and each of us holds a piece of the puzzle. Or perhaps you've heard of other unsolved puzzles that we didn't get to. Share your thoughts and ideas with us. Your insights could lead to new discoveries and a deeper understanding of the world around us. Drop a comment below. I love hearing your thoughts and keeping the conversation going. Who knows? Maybe the next great discovery will come from you. Your curiosity and passion for exploration are what drive us to keep searching for answers. Maybe the next great discovery will come from you. Every great discovery starts with a question, and your questions could be the key to unlocking new mysteries. If you enjoyed this dive into the unknown, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. The more we share our knowledge and curiosity, the more we can learn together. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more deep dives into the world's most mind-bending questions. Your support helps us continue to explore and share the wonders of our world. And ring the bell so you don't miss out on more deep dives into the world's most mind-bending questions. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures and discoveries. And don't forget to check out more videos from Curiosity Corner. The adventure never ends here. Until next time, keep questioning, stay curious, and never stop exploring. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. And remember, the more we learn, the more we realize there's still so much left to discover. Every answer leads to new questions, and every discovery opens the door to new possibilities. The more we realize there's still so much left to discover, the journey of exploration is never ending, and the thrill of discovery is what makes it all worthwhile. See you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, stay curious, and never stop asking questions. The world is full of mysteries, and together we can uncover them one by one.